In today's video, we are going to learn map work from chapter 4, Agriculture, which is very important for board examination. Remember, this chapter is only for identification for rice and wheat, whereas for the other crops, for example, sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute, they can ask you for locating and labeling also. So we have to prepare both the map work, whereas the first map work is only for identification. Remember that. Identification means the places will be given to you and they will be asking you that they all are the places of leading producer of which crop. So you have to identify whether it is rice or whether it is wheat. Let's move on. The map work, exactly what we have to do. So the first one, you all can see the distribution of rice, major rice growing areas. Now everyone knows that rice is a paddy crop which needs quite good amount of rainfall. So of course the places where the water availability is good, where quite good amount of rainfall along with fertile plains are there. They will be there the places which will be occupied for major rice producing areas. So you all can see this dark green color which is there on the eastern side of our India, covering the north towards the southern side, eastern part. They are there the leading producers, and the light green color tells me about the minor producers. So even they are producing rice, but their production as compared to this areas have been very less. And the states which are covering with this dark green colors are West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Eastern Uttar Pradesh. So you all can see that mainly rice is grown in the eastern and southern and coastal regions of India. Let's move to the next. Wheat. Again, you all can see this is there the dark shaded region. Wheat is grown in a cooler and a dry region, especially to the northern plains. So everyone knows it. As compared to the rice, wheat does not need much more amount of rainfall. So it is required a cooler type of climatic condition. So mostly it has been grown in the area where this type of conditions are available. States which have been there the leading producers of wheat are Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, some part of Rajasthan, and the part of Madhya Pradesh. They are there the northern and the central belt which grows major amount of wheat in all over the part of India. That is distribution of wheat. Now remember, once again I am repeating, for rice and wheat you just have to identify. It means the area will be shaded to you. It will be given to you that the portion has been shaded and they will ask you that you have to identify which leading producer has been shaded on the map of India. Let's go to the next. Now leading producers of the other crops. They are there the cash crops of our India. So let us move on with that one by one. I'll be showing you the crops name also and the leading producers of the state also. So let us go ahead with the first one. You all can see the first crop is sugarcane. Now sugarcane leading producer is Uttar Pradesh. You all can see Uttar Pradesh has been there. Then second one is tea. So everyone knows that tea maximum cultivation is done in the state of Assam. So Assam is the leading producer of tea, followed by West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. They all also having quite good amount of tea production. Then we have next coffee. Karnataka. Karnataka is the leading producer of coffee. You all can see that. Then we have cotton. So cotton leading producer as per your NCRT is Maharashtra. So we have to remember that. Then rubber. Rubber leading producer is Kerala. And then the last one, jute. Leading producer is West Bengal. The way of locating your map work should be there in this manner only. If a question will be there that the leading producer of sugarcane, so you have to see that your Uttar Pradesh state is quite bigger. You can write down the name of the state within the state itself. But if I'll say Assam, if I'll say Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, the state size is smaller as compared to their name. So you have to see that you should put an arrow. You will showing an arrow outside. You will write down the name of the question number, whatever it is there. Maybe it is A, B, C in your examination, whether it has been used as a Roman number. So right now I just have used a numerical. So I just have used that number, sixth. And then you'll have to write down the name of the state. Now there are the number of students who make a mistake that they locate the state correctly, but instead of writing down the name of the state, they only write down the name of the question number. So that does not gives you a complete marks. You have to see that you'll be locating and labeling. So you have been locating that this is there the place which is there the leading producer of jute, as well as you have to labeling it that the West Bengal is there the state which is the leading producers of the wheat. Remember, this is the way or this is there the correct way of doing the map work activity. So this was related to your map work activity of agriculture lesson. Some tips which you all have to follow during the time of exam for map work. Use a sharp pencil, mark with a proper symbol, write neat labels, practice on an outline map of India so that the much more practice you will do, the much more scoring chances can be there with you all. That's all from chapter 4, Agriculture Map Work. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy geography map work and exam tips. Comment below if you want practice questions or a printable map worksheet. Thank you.